Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it easy, simple, quick quinoa fried rice using our plant-based chicken. If you want to see how to make that, you can go back to our other video on how to make plant-based chicken with soy curls. So the first thing you want to do is put your sesame oil in. All you need is probably like a tablespoon or two. Just want to make sure the bottom of the pan is coated. And then next we want to do our minced ginger. And I like minced ginger, so I put a good bit in, maybe like 2 tablespoons. Now you want to cook that up until it's nice and fragrant. Maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, so now we want to add in our mixed vegetables, our frozen vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables, but to make it just quick and simple and get straight to it, we use the bag of frozen mixed vegetables. So you put that in, you want to stir it up and make sure that the sesame oil and the ginger is coated in the vegetables. And then you want to let that cook for a while. Now let's add in our seasoning. We got our onion powder, and we're going to also put in our garlic powder. And we're going to add some soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce, but you don't want to use a lot of it. You also can use coconut aminos also. And just want to mix everything in, make sure everything is getting coated good with that seasoning and the ginger and the sesame oil. And you want to sit there and let that cook for a while. All right, so now that we have our vegetables cooked, let's move them to the side, and now we're going to add in our plant-based chicken. And now let's mix everything together. And while we're doing this, we had our quinoa cooking on the side, so that's also ready to go now. And you can also do this with tofu. You can do this with lentils, chickpeas, or whatever you want to. It's very simple, and it's a versatile recipe. All right, so now let's put in our quinoa. All right, so let's mix everything together. Make sure we're getting everything mixed in with all the seasonings, the ginger, the sesame oil, and just mix it real good. All right, now my last thing I like to do is add a little bit more sesame oil so that quinoa can soak it in and give it a really nice flavor. Just want to do a little bit, you don't want to do too much. And now we just sit there and let this cook a little bit longer. Make sure we're stirring everything together. Quick, simple, and easy meal prep. All right, and there you have it. Now I garnish mine with some sesame seeds and a little bit of Thai chili sauce. But that's basically it. Quick and easy, simple meal plan that you can do, meal prep that you can do. This recipe makes about like 4 to 5 servings. So try it out when you get a chance.